Hey guys, it's Crazy Dad, and today I'm going to be playing Plants vs Zombies Heroes. Sorry for the late uploads. There's just been lots of things going on. I haven't had the time to actually record anything, so I thought I'll record this. I have a bit of footage ready, but that will come next week. So also an announcement. I shall now be doing weekly vids, just so it's easier for me every Saturday. Okay. Okay. I'll go there. Okay. Okay. When full, your hero block is superpower. Okay. So 3 blocks per game. Alright. Ouch. Okay. What? I can't play. Oh wait, yes I can. Yeesh. I'm gonna go straight down the middle. Actually, no. Sorry if it's a bit laggy. It's just like, I don't know, it's just a bit, looks a bit laggy. It might be, don't know. Let's get. Okay, so this guy's gonna stay alive, thankfully. And next round, if this guy doesn't place anything, 3-1. I'm gonna hit there. Okay. Right. Okay. I'm gonna play the other repeater. And leave it there. This guy here will not kill him, so that's thankful. And just for that, I'll put a torchwood there. If you haven't played this game, it's kind of I play Plants vs Zombies Garden Warfare on my Xbox, and I also play the Plants vs Zombies just the mobile game. It's really fun. It's like a little lawn thing. I'm not really going to make videos on that because I don't think it'd really do good. So yeah, I mean, if you wanted it, I would post it. Just leave it down in the description. Would you like me to post it? And then I'm going to leave this there. And put that down there. Play. Okay, my repeater's dead, sadly. And we killed him. Easy peasy. Something squeezy. Dunno. Okay. So we have 3 packs. Okay. 1 more to there. Right. Add these cards to your deck. Okay. Add. Okay. Oh. Okay then. Round 2. You want to go blather? Right. You can get more sun every turn. I'm just going to put him there. like zombies can play tricks. So, yeah. Well, kids, this is why you don't, shouldn't sit on flowers. Because that's actually what happens. But from these are zombies. And these are living plants, so. This paradox does not make sense. Put that there. And play. Oh, and he gets an extra. Okay, got rid of that zombie. Now I have 3. I'm gonna put this guy on the amphibious bit. Thus meaning he will die, but is still alive. Okay. There. I'll draw 2 cards. Ooh, yeah. Please tell me we get 4 next round. Okay. And now 5. Okay. No. Oh no. My plan failed. I'll make it like a repeater. No, we're gonna die. Oh no, my PC. Oh no, we're alive. Don't know how we're alive. Attack 5 damage. Woo. Alright then. We won! And another pack. Because I love packs. Okay. Ooh. Gonna add these. I definitely want frozen pea, and I definitely want this. But I'm going to get rid of you. Oh, what? Do you know what? I'm just going to change that back out after this video. I'm going to keep my pea shooters in. And the black screen. The coolest of screens. Still got music playing. But yeah, a black screen. I think I might just end the video here. What on earth is going on? What the heck? Okay. Ah! What on earth is that noise? I'm going to end the video here and figure out what the heck that noise is. Anyway, smash the like button if you enjoyed this and subscribe. Anyway, see ya. This is all for me. Bye.